So we had friends that lived down the road that had panels fitted with solar fast, and it was very efficient, and they had no issues. And obviously you talk to other people with solar panels, and there were sort of other people that had gone with other companies with less positive experiences. So that was our reason.
Yeah. They gave us a shining endorsement, and so that's how we got in touch. They were really cool, actually. Really professional, really quick. They'd come to me with any kind of questions or any suggestions. So obviously our consumer box is at the front of the house. So they said, how do you want this cable in? So obviously you can go up through the roof, which is quite a lot of work. So I said, no, I'm quite happy for it to come around.
Just felt
so
a bit
they did
laborious.
that. And to be honest, I was really surprised because they came on the Tuesday morning. And by about 3 o'clock on Tuesday afternoon, the system was running, all 18 panels on the roof, and I was being given a walkthrough of the app, which I wasn't expecting all in one day because it's quite a big installation.
And it was a roasting hot day, so we felt really sorry for
we
it.
kept bringing out Diet Cokes and water for the tea. It was baking.
They did well.
And the app itself is really, I've seen other people's apps that are really complicated, doing technical readouts on each individual panel, and it's just, you glaze over. The app that for our inverter, I think it's related to the inverter, really straightforward. Even I got my head around it in about 10 minutes. And now it's like, it's one of those things on your phone that you're always checking. How much energy are we making today? How much is going back to the grid? So yeah. There's some of the overcast days. Obviously, there's been very few of those over the last couple of weeks. It doesn't make as much, obviously, but we are giving loads back to the grid. We're filling our batteries, covering everything in the house, and giving loads back to the grid, of which we will hopefully soon be getting our feed-in rate back from them. So getting that sorted. The only times where we've used a bit of power is when we've got an inflatable hot tub and we've left that on overnight, and obviously that takes the batteries. But other than that, it's at this time of year, if we're not using that, we're giving back loads into the grid and hardly using, well, maybe about 0.1 of a kilowatt if there's some stuff running overnight.
And bear in mind too, virtually teenage children on constant tech, you work from home.
Yeah.
So I'd say we were quite high users, as a
lots of washing machines,
exactly.
Runs going on. Well, I went with, one of the reasons I went with the 3 batteries, which is just shy of 10 kilowatts, is I was tracking when the energy crisis was really rampant, I was tracking how much we were using through the year, and I was like, right. So obviously in winter you use loads, but I worked out in the summer we were probably using as a house probably about 10 kilowatts a day. So I thought, well, actually, if I've got a battery that can take 10 kilowatts in summer, that's more than what we use in a day. And in winter, it's going to be about half, maybe a third. Yeah. Which is still going to be really good. And then I've not factored in a bit of sun in winter as well. I'm running stuff during the days.
One of the reasons we started with this process at all was we made a commitment to our youngest child because he felt we weren't green enough, in loads of ways. So we changed various bits and pieces last year, and this was one of the things that we committed.
Although on the flip side, I do tell him that he always leaves his tech on, so...
He's good at lecturing,
He's a hypocrite.
I think so.
Yeah,
I mean, they've got a long lifespan, haven't they? So by my sums, I think you think we'll pay it back in about 5 years.
Some of our sums were based on the fallout of some of the COVID period when the kids were at home on laptops during the day more. So if anything, I think our sums are still going to be valid for the next few years until the kids leave home anyway. So.
Absolutely.
Oh, we already have been recommending them to friends.
100%.
Hence, checking if you go to Lancaster.
Yeah.